Guys, we're back with another video. Today is the reveal of the makeover of the living room. My name is Divinely Finesse. I live in a 2013 Chaparral, and today me and my mom will be revealing the final touches on the living room. What's up, guys? It's Divinely Finesse. We are now inside of the RV, and today my mom is back. And today is reveal day of the makeover of the RV.
I'm really liking the look. It has its own little fun sway. It's modern. I like the color picks, the choices. Looks like it real good.
Yeah, I think the accent wall is one of my favorites, just because I feel like all of the colors mesh together. Nothing is like, oh, what's that? You know, everything is nice and placed. I feel. But, I think the white cabinets definitely made a great difference. I feel like at first it was more, it looked like a cabin maybe when you came in here. It looked very like
an old cabin.
Yeah, I feel, yeah.
Just an old RV.
Yeah. So I feel like now it looks more like me. It looks more like home. It looks like a kind of like it almost looks like an apartment now. I think that's
definitely different now. It makes you feel like you're in a whole totally different space.
Yes.
So it's very moderate. It's manly, masculine, and I really like it. It's cool.
And that's why I almost feel like I moved.
Yeah.
I feel like I moved into a whole different place.
It makes you feel better about coming home. I feel like home now.
Yeah, it always kind of felt like home. People always would say it gave them cabin vibes when they came in, but I can't wait to see what people's reaction will be.
Well.
And thanks for all your help.